Yes, Arnav. Now you have my permission to move, and you have my permission also to talk to your heart's content.
Come back to all the way from a foggy 1000 AQI Delhi morning on November 19th, when this is getting.
ठीक रहा है मेरे ऊपर. बदतमीज दूर रह. बता दे भाई क्या हो रहा है, क्या किया.
बहुत
एक महीने जो हम गायब थे बोल के हर हफ्ते निकालेंगे.
हमारा कब था लास्ट
महीना? तो easy 1 month.
September was the last month we recorded. So
हाँ,
it's been
but
2 months
I
since we
mean
recorded.
release फिर भी आ गया था ना वो.
Sure, but
You know, now we'll do same day. What a guy.
Crazy fellow.
What a guy. I was clapping as if पता नहीं उसको सुनाई दे रहा है. So why don't you just like get into it and start talking about what's been happening?
It happened because we took on
Who's asking for why?
Crazy task
Of
launching 20
what?
cities
In
India for करना. अच्छा था ये.
I don't know where you're going with this. For what?
Dog walking and
Dog
grooming.
Woo.
All
and
over
India.
That is ridiculously dumb.
It's only 10 a.m. bro. What the wolf was that?
What the sorry? I thought family show and all.
Yeah, I said what the fig, you know. Did you see that video? जिसमें वो था कि वो fig actually अंदर मरे हुए wasps होते हैं. Because that's how fig gets made.
नहीं.
And then everybody went crazy. They what the hell अंजीर और ये सब में ऐसे होता है protein. And then this other guy made this thing and said that yeah, this is true, but about this one specific fig that you get in
of course
Turkey or something, not like your regular figs.
Yeah. People who fell for it definitely not too smart.
It's funny. इस डिक्की में टिक्की है. Zomato यार किसी दिन तो
Context नहीं है किसी को भी जो तू देख रही है.
क्या मतलब Zomato का वाला वो जो राइडर वाले वो पीछे होते हैं ना, they've done I think a new batch of delivery boxes, so they've got all these food related lines on it.
मैं देख रहा था एक इनका
तो एक ये बंदा जो था आगे उसके उस पे लिखा था इस डिक्की में टिक्की है. हम भी करें यार ना किसी दिन इतने वॉकर्स फैला देना, फैला दे उनकी टी-शर्ट्स पे ऐसे लिखेंगे हम. हाँ मैं कुत्ते घुमाता हूँ. हाँ मुझे कुत्ते पसंद हैं. क्या तुम्हारे पास कुत्ता है? क्या तुमने कभी कुत्ते से प्यार किया? किया. मैंने भी किया.
अच्छा वो ऑडियो भी बोलता है. ठीक है उनका टी-शर्ट.
पर तुम पढ़ते हो ना उस तरीके से.
ऐसे.
Yeah. At least I do.
Yeah. We see that. We see that.
So why don't you talk about the 20 cities that you launched? Now, what was your experience like as the person who was leading operations while this was happening? What was your experience?
That anything is possible in the world if you put your heart, mind, soul
and tech
and cash to it.
And people. But कैसे किया आपने? बताओ कि कैसे 20 सिटी एकदम से ऐसे कैसे कर लिया आपने?
हमारा टेक रेडी था. हमारी ऑप्स रेडी थी और कर दिया.
बहुत बढ़िया है. तो फिर पहले क्यों नहीं किया?
आप मेरे इन्वेस्टर नहीं हो तो आप नहीं पूछ सकते. So you keep that question to yourself.
I invest my time, Arnav.
Keep it to yourself that question.
I invest my time and my savings.
There is a right time for everything.
तो मजे आए कि नहीं आए?
बहुत.
एकदम से जब डैशबोर्ड पे दिखता है कि अब आपके कस्टमर सिर्फ दिल्ली, गुड़गांव, नोएडा से नहीं, कोची से भी हैं और
हैदराबाद से भी हैं,
विशाखापट्टनम से भी हैं
और चेन्नई से भी हैं
और चंडीगढ़ से भी हैं
और गुवाहाटी से भी हैं
और आगरा से भी हैं
और भोपाल से भी हैं
और इंदौर से भी हैं
और नागपुर से भी हैं
और कहाँ से हैं?
नासिक से भी हैं, जयपुर से भी हैं,
कोलकाता से भी हैं,
लखनऊ से भी हैं.
You say कोलकाता और you say कोलकाता और you say कलकत्ता.
कलकत्ता.
Kolkata. I say Kolkata.
I say
but
Calcutta.
I think it's actually Kolkata.
I think it's Calcutta.
It's yeah, but that's like a
Anglicized
British bitch way of saying it.
But it is. Let's pick up spam call.
Shut up.
It'll be entertainment.
For who? Arnav does this thing. जो भी random phone उसको आ जाए, चाहे वो रियल एस्टेट बेच रहे हों, चाहे वो इंश्योरेंस बेच रहे हों, अर्नब को मजे आते हैं उनसे बातें करने में कि नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए. फिर वो वेट करता है उनके रिस्पांस के लिए. उसके बाद एज इफ वो बोलेंगे ओके सर, ऑल राइट, थैंक यू. तो अर्नब वेट करता है कि मैंने अब नहीं बोला है तो अब मैं सुनूंगी तो सही कि दूसरे बंदे का क्या है, रादर देन नहीं थैंक यू एंड कट द फोन, which is what I do.
I have now installed Truecaller, so
Or I don't
every
pick up
call.
only. But now I've realized I have to sometimes pick up because कभी-कभी हमारे जो ये PO जाते हैं Blinkit को या अब जैसे Zepto को जाएंगे तो now I have to be responding and it's
Way
most
to
like
slip it in that you are listed in Zepto also now.
it's gonna happen. It's on its way. Next few days you'll see on our Instagram.
अब हम Zepto पे हैं, इस YouTube का हेडलाइन होगा।
और 20 सिटी में हम आपके कुत्ते भी घुमा सकते हैं और
उनको नहला भी सकते हैं।
नहला भी सकते हैं।
और ज्यादा पंगा लेंगे तो धो भी सकते हैं।
धो भी सकते हैं।
धोना।
नहलाने का मतलब क्या होता है?
You know, like धोना is like उसको लाइन पे लाना। In a sweet way.
What do you mean? Training?
Yeah.
like क्या बोल रहा है? नहलाना और धोना? Come on, bro. Come on. और फिर और क्या मजा आया?
That could be quite politically incorrect if taken.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, bro. What are you saying? यहाँ हम पेटकेयर बोले जा रहे हैं और तू ऐसी लाइनें मार रहा है?
Please, हम sweet है ना?
अच्छा, हम sweet हैं, okay.
Aren't we?
Very. है मतलब actually.
We're rolling out something else for our partners also, an oath.
That'll be cool actually. You should do it. I think it'll be cool one. मैं शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं कभी भी जानवरों को
Yeah, no, I think it's
क्या बोलेंगे? कभी भी जानवरों को चोट नहीं पहुंचाऊंगा या पहुंचाऊंगी। हमारे क्या नाम है workers who are women increase हुए हैं? I keep seeing.
Yeah, definitely.
I haven't looked at the number, but
yeah, we've got 3 active walkers right now. But 3 is a small number. Sorry, 4. One in Hyderabad also.
Nice.
One in Chennai also, 5 actually. But the one in Chennai is like she's part time because she also does Paravet. So when we launch Paravet there, Vet at Home, then she'll get onboarded.
Nice.
Fully. But yeah, 5.
Isn't but they all come from यही वाला background? Okay, मतलब have worked in pet care.
मतलब have dogs and have experience of dogs, but not necessarily.
मतलब I mean like have been in the space in some way or the other.
1 or 2, yes. They've worked at a pet store.
Interesting. Anyway, फिर और बताओ अर्नव।
बस ये सब हुआ है और अभी ये करते रहेंगे।
और जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है? 20 सिटी तो चलो ठीक है कर दे।
बस वही चल रहा है। To be honest, last October till today, we've not thought about anything. Even Saturday, Sunday has just been planning, projecting.
Hariom.
It's just been non-stop. So much non-stop that even on Diwali day we were working, which I like. I like doing that. I think it brings a certain amount of Lakshmi into the
hopefully. This is what people mean when they say कि घर के दरवाजे खुले रखो.
Yeah.
It's meaning office on रखो अपना.
Yeah.
हैं वहाँ आएगी लक्ष्मी.
इसलिए तो दिवाली पूजा करने जाते हैं.
अरे तुझे ऐसी फीलिंग नहीं आती कि ऐसे पलट गई है अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ वर्क?
तुम डॉग को तो इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया.
इंट्रोड्यूस क्या कराना है उसका? तो शो है.
डॉग
मैम आप ही का तो शो है. हेलो श्राचू. सो गई वो लेट गई.
डॉग श्राचा. Yes. Hi. Say hello. Hello, doggy. Hi, little doggies.
No bhav.
No, she gave bhav. She looked.
I don't think so.
She did.
I don't think so.
Yeah, what was your next thing? So,
I was saying that. Don't you think that? Well, it's been something that's been on my mind lately.
Yeah.
Don't you think that when you started working?
My mind.
When you started working, मतलब fresh out of college, whatever, like a first work experience, all of that.
मैं कोई vegetable थोड़ी ना fresh out of college.
चल तू फिर क्या था? कटा हुआ out of college क्या बोलूँ मैं? तो गई. मेरा मतलब है कहने का कि उस टाइम पे ऐसे अलग concept नहीं होता था कि ऐसे काम का मतलब क्या है, लाइफ में क्या करना है. You know what I mean? And अब मुझे ऐसे लगता है, अब मैं सोचती हूँ उस टाइम के बारे में और मुझे लगता है कि जिन चीज़ों के बारे में मैं उस टाइम पे complain करती थी, Now I understand कि अच्छा इसलिए बोलते थे वो.
तुम जब बड़े होगे ना तब समझ आएगा.
इसलिए कहते थे.
Line is finally hitting you.
Yeah, and उस टाइम मुझे लगता था मैं कितनी स्मार्ट हूँ. इनको नहीं पता है. इनको पता ही नहीं है ब्रो. इनको पता ही नहीं है. और अब मुझे लगता है कि शिट मैंने इतनी गालियाँ दे दी हैं लोगों को और अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि you were right.
मेरे को पता है किसमें लगता है. that the whole, like when we were in college, just after college, it was a very motivated, we are going to change the world, lift people out of poverty, create impact. वो वाला, and like at that time people used to say मतलब the left वाला thinking, and now suddenly it's not become right, but it's like significantly moved from where it was.
हाँ मतलब
so
now
realistic हो जाते हो.
Because then there's something to lose, na. I think that's where
What's there to lose? No, I don't think
in the sense that when you really start understanding socialism, like anything, communism, all of that, when you actually start understanding that it also means giving up. If you come from a place of privilege, it means giving up what you have.
Correct.
Right? So it's not as simple as हाँ नहीं सारी दुनिया में सबको ऐसा होना चाहिए. It also means then sacrificing what you have.
Yeah.
So are you ready to put that on the line and do it? That is where the real test comes in.
True.
So most people, I think, if you were to remove all like worldly whatever, अगर तुम pure उसमें पूछोगे तो सबके ख्याल ऐसे ही होंगे ना. It then comes down to what are you willing to like stick by as life goes on. Will you not use your privilege? Will you give it up actively? वो फिर obviously all of us then choose हाँ ठीक है मैं अपनी जिंदगी थोड़ी देख लूँ तो ऐसे मेरे को थोड़े ना पैसे कमाने हैं
थोड़ा दुनिया घूम के आता हूँ.
Actually ना मेरे को ना बनाना है VC business and capitalism is kind of nice only, So that's where
I don't like the term VC business.
It's a business,
but and it's
at venture
business.
scale. What do you say? I meant that. I mean, as a shorthand for business to business, but like, I think path of growth is what I was talking about.
Scaled business is what you're talking about.
बड़ा कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में टाइप्स हैं. हमारे बच्चों की शादी में आएंगे ऐसे बॉलीवुड वाले
बच्चे.
श्राचा.
Are you making your parents happy?
Do you envision a world, Arnav, in 10 years when dogs will be getting married at that grand a scale?
I'm quite confident.
That'll be fucking insane. Please don't do shit like this.
मैंने कल वो It's My Life, remember that Bon Jovi song?
Yes, I remember. I was sitting next to you when we were watching this.
No, you weren't actually. You were in the kitchen.
Oh, but so sad. For the 2 seconds that I wasn't there.
There was and this was 1990s or 80s or whenever this was. In the video, there was a dog walker there wherever the video was.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and she was walking like 8 dogs. And then because he's in a hurry to get to the concert, he bangs into them. And then the dog starts chasing. And I thought, there's a relatability factor with Sploot.
है ना? यही तो देख के हमने बनाया था कि देखो बॉन जोवी की वीडियो में भी है, इंडिया में भी ऐसा होगा.
हाँ, उस दिन हमारे दिमाग में टिका था ये.
बचपन में.
जब हम 4-5 साल
बचपन से ही.
जब हम ITV पे ये म्यूजिक वीडियो देखते थे. Remember ITV?
Truly. But it's crazy how now you think about it and I'm like, हाँ यार, actually तो मेरे around dogs थे. Like, मतलब it's not as like clean cut as that obviously when you tell the story it is different. But जैसे अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि मेरे cousins के पास dogs थे हमेशा. Geeta, Praniti always had dogs. In my colony, my sister used to literally go to the neighbor's house to pick up their dog, to take the dog for a walk. You know this? Like 3-4 hours. बुड्ढी आंटी थी वो, retired मतलब, उनके बच्चे नहीं थे वहाँ पे, रहते उनके साथ. Tanvi was her favorite kid. Because वो शाम को आती थी, जाती थी कि मेरे को क्यूट लगता है आपका डॉगी. Just like imagine, and 3-4 hours she would just like take the dog, go for a walk, play with the dog, all of that. And that auntie used to love her. और उनके आंटी के घर में मैंने जाके मतलब स्नैक्स खाए हुए हैं, चाय पी हुई है. फ्रेंड्स का पहला एपिसोड मैंने उनके घर में देखा था, I remember. Only because she was so grateful that these kids are just like taking care, and I was doing nothing. It was my sister. I was just like by association कभी-कभी जो भी है, उसका नाम पेबल था, I remember. But it's crazy. अब मैं सोचती हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि wow, ये सब भी था without really like actively thinking about it.
आप यहाँ हो.
हाँ, but वो तो चल मतलब I think it's also जैसे वो था नहीं, याद नहीं वो that Baader-Meinhof phenomenon where you एक चीज तुम्हारे दिमाग में अटकती है and then you start like finding those things in everything that you think about. Story तो आप बना सकते हो ना उसके बाद. You're a good storyteller now. True. If you are, then you would know.
True.
और फिर? और क्या किया ना, दिवाली भी तो थी पिछले महीने, आपको याद ही नहीं रहा? आप इतने बिजी थे काम में कि आपने कुछ किया नहीं। इवन दो आपने बोला था कि हम करेंगे दिवाली पार्टी और अपने दोस्तों से मिलेंगे
कैसे?
और मतलब वो करेंगे।
कैसे? अक्टूबर में एक
कुर्ता कितनी बारी पहना तूने अक्टूबर में, मुझे ये बता दे।
for a whole sum of 3 hours one day and then 4 hours the other day.
Yeah, that was basically it.
No Diwali party this time we went for.
I only
Nor
saw
were we
it on
invited
Instagram. Yeah, actually true. किसी ने इनवाइट भी नहीं किया हमें। ऐसा भी नहीं कि हमारे बहुत ऐसे इनविटेशंस थे और हमारे
Oh sorry, you know I was busy this month.
हम बड़ा सोचे थे कि शिट यार we're missing out yo। और फिर हम by the end में बोले one second look
Invitation
हमें बुलाया किसने, हम तो Instagram पे देख रहे थे। तो ऐसा तो कुछ फोमो तो किस चीज का होगा?
हम करेंगे ना,
हम ही करते रहे ब्लडी। हेलो देख रहे हैं हमारे दोस्त, तो फिर तुम भी कर लो। Anyway, नहीं
you need to get back into our social.
देख नहीं रहे होंगे, so I can say all this, you know.
You can get back in. We should get back into a social mode.
This is it. I feel this is
No, this
it.
is a sad social mode.
This
True
is what it
social
is.
mode.
Social media mode, Arnav, is what the game is.
But you tell me, when in the last month did you have a second? In fact, it was so hectic. You're not used to, even after IIM Ahmedabad, where you were really put through a grinder and you
ऐसा
came
भी
out
नहीं
of
है।
it. After that, this is the first time you're really getting pushed to that level and you fell sick after that.
I
इना तो पता है, मैं बुखार हो जाता है जैसे
नहीं, मेरे को पहले भी हुआ है, ऐसा भी नहीं है। Like even at ABI, I had like some moments where it was like a out of my comfort zone wala thing, and I had like a breakdown, and then that happened.
But you never fell sick.
Of course, I felt sick. I was barely sleeping, man. That time, it was crazy. Away from home, 3-4 hours sleeping, just like finding distractions. It's crazy. Early 20s, mid 20s is like a.
What your body can handle.
No, I think I was just going through also like a rough phase personally, all of that as well. But, वही मतलब you don't really know till you look back into it. Like now, at least, I think the difference now is that, I mean, ऐसे ही होता है ना हमारे साथ भी. Every 3-4 months there is like a spike of stress because there's a new problem that you need to suddenly now solve, and there is a deadline to it, and suddenly there's all this pressure, and the only people we can talk to about it is the two of us. Like you can't necessarily go and chat with people on the team about it क्योंकि उनकी भी फट लेगी फिर और फिर तुम क्या करोगे? So you just have to absorb and keep all of that stress inside you and not let it show.
I think it was showing. If
Of
you
course
ask
it was
anyone
showing.
in the team, it was pretty
I'm
obvious
sure it was
showing.
showing, but like it's still better than maybe when we started. I think
Also,
at
no,
least.
I don't think so. I highly differ, and I think everyone else would also agree. But you should ask them. The other thing is the spike of stress was much higher than the previous, and I think
But that's always going to happen.
yeah,
na?
it's always going to happen.
That's what I'm saying. It's an upward
कम नहीं होने वाला.
scale. So I think the difference now is that I think now I've kind of understood that ये होगा. Like this will not stop. Okay, that spike of stress, and now the stakes are higher, and अब ये करना है और अब इस तरीके से करना है और ऐसे नहीं करोगे तो दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी या जो भी है, मतलब जो constantly होता ही है.
Yeah. I think
अब वो थोड़ा सा हो गया कि अच्छा I will get through this. Okay, I'm panicking right now or it's super stressful right now, but once we get through this,
मौसम बदलेगा.
तो सब सही है. उसके बाद फिर दूसरा आएगा, फिर वो भी कर लेंगे, फिर हम बढ़ते चलेंगे बस.
But I think what we didn't do very well was at least take out. I don't think it's about taking out hours and hours, but it's about taking out time to rejuvenate every week. Like that, I don't think we did very well. We didn't go out and
Last
play.
month. We did it maybe like one weekend. One weekend. Remember when we went to play, like for half an hour, we went to play badminton.
Half an hour, literally half an hour.
I know.
That was the problem.
But उसके बाद चल हम बाइक पे गए थे और उसके बाद डिनर किया था.
But तू और मैं खुद होते हैं तो वो हमारे लिए वर्क ही होता है because we end up talking about it.
True. क्या करें यार ना फिर. I think we should live separately.
ऐसे तू बोल देगी हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा. ठीक है. To our parents.
You mean TRPs will rise?
कल वो बात कर रहे थे ना.
ऐसे thumbnail में डाल देंगे. We should live separately.
Married co-founders.
I think we should live separately.
Married co-founders.
Separate commutes, you know.
Will be most productive if they live separate.
नहीं भाई, कितने पैसे बचते हैं अगर हम साथ में रहते हैं? सोचो कितने पैसे बच रहे हैं. ऑफिस की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, कम्यूट का आधा खर्चा है. हाँ, कपड़ों का आधा खर्चा है कभी कभी. सेम शिट.
ऑफिस की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
So much time and money saved.
ऑफिस की
Because we live together. Because हमें ऑफिस में जरूरी नहीं है ना जाके ऑन करना. हमारे घर के खर्चे हो रहे हैं.
अच्छा, मतलब you know to go there
एक
and
ट्यूबलाइट के नीचे 2 लोग बैठ रहे हैं अर्नब, इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 अलग-अलग घरों में ट्यूबलाइट जली हुई है अलग-अलग, और अलग-अलग हम जूम कॉल पे बात कर रहे हैं.
I'd like to tell you, you're speaking a whole lot of shit.
Why? It's 2 ट्यूबलाइट्स. Still.
So shut it. Tell us what happened. How was your October and November?
My October and November started with, I think, a lot of like panic attack.
I agree. This time, इसको इतना panic attack हुआ है that you were agreeing with me on certain financial things.
Oh, shut up.
That's how much.
That's not the case. I always agree. Now the difference is that you started putting your foot down, which you should always, which I've always told you. You gotta be pushy, bro. If I'm pushy, you gotta be pushier.
I don't have the bandwidth to fight.
Who bandwidth? What bandwidth? There's no bandwidth.
Anyway, October, how was it?
October was actually pretty fun. I didn't think while going through it that I would say this. But I think professionally, like, I feel like a lot more sorted. You know what I mean? Like, it's one of those, like the last quarter actually, I won't even say like just the last 30 days, but last 3-4 months, I've felt that I've been pushed to a level of clarity in my like headspace professionally, personally. Jo, matlab now I think about 6 months back, 1 year back, and I was like, oh shit, like now I suddenly just like something has just like clicked. You know what I mean?
To put context to that is, matlab, decisions which we were earlier taking 6 months, 3 months to decide.
Quick decisions.
Like price rise 15%, 20%, done overnight. And all customers stuck with us because there was a value that we were providing and they valued that as well.
Yeah,
and they realized
business के लिए चाहिए ना, मतलब we can't be making losses.
Business के लिए चाहिए, but also minimum wages in Delhi were increased. Bunch of changes happened apart from that, so we had to move.
Is happening in case a customer is watching. But the point is essentially कि business चलाना है तो obviously business में it should be sustainable ना. We can't be doing anything at a cost which is not helping us run the
even
operation.
culling certain parts of the project which weren't clicking, and we'd given it enough time and iterations to put through. Like those were things that we debated, discussed, and on multiple fronts.
Bringing senior people on,
and matlab, that's been a big change as well. So, and these were quick decisions. These were tuck. Although the big senior people was slightly pehle. I think that we'd taken a call that we were going to do.
Time लगता है ना.
जब तक वो execute हुआ.
Correct. और अभी भी चल रहा है इनफैक्ट. अभी तो next 2-3 months people are just going to now एक करके start joining.
Correct too.
But yeah, but I think also like when I say professionally, I don't just mean Sprout. I mean like me. You know what I'm saying? Like मेरा खुद का
personal.
हाँ कि अच्छा this is how it should be and this is what my expectation is. This is how it should get delivered. How I should be myself behaving at work.
क्या
my boundary is.
क्या हुआ है? सबसे बड़ी learning क्या हुई है?
सबसे बड़ी learning क्या हुई है?
Yes.
बोल दूँ?
If you are saying डायरी है तो ये डायरी तो ये सब बोलना होता है ना?
तो French fries खाए बोलो. Please don't.
नहीं, it's and we realize that it's hurting our health.
हाँ, मैंने 3 French fries खाए थे. Yes.
Point is that you improve.
Yeah, इतना आलू नहीं खाना चाहिए, guys. Please, trans fats and whatever else you put in fried food.
And now we cut it because we realize that it just became a crutch to deal with our stress. That's not how you deal with your stress. Go and run.
You cut it.
Go and run.
You cut it.
Go and run.
When did you
go and run every day?
When did you go and
go and run every day?
I'm going to send this on the family groups. अब तू देख बेटा, इतनी जो तू जुर्रत कर रहा है ना यहाँ पे खुले में.
क्या? तो क्या मतलब it's not a topic for discussion.
But when she sees this.
हाँ तो बोल देंगे क्या है?
क्या बोलेगा?
मतलब कुछ गलत थोड़ी है.
यहाँ देख के बोल.
Dear
internal temperature बंद हो गया.